Welcome to today's episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Ife West. If this is your first time on this channel, you are highly welcome. This is a place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstitions, and of course the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I will be talking about how to send a message to somebody's dream with the use of smoke. This is a very simple and easy, powerful spell that you can actually do, and I'll be telling you how to do it. Let's say that you want to make contact with somebody. You don't have their phone number, you don't have their email, you don't have any means of communicating with them. You can actually use this kind of spell to go old school or to go spiritual with the person you are trying to communicate with. So if you find yourself in this kind of situation, or you want the person to call you back, you want the person to make contact with you, what you need to do is that you need to get the herb called mugwort. Okay, I have talked about this herb before. It's very easy. You can find it in the market. People eat it a lot. You find the mugwort, that you get dried tobacco leaf. If you don't have dried tobacco leaf, you can get it from cigarettes. Okay, it is in cigarette. They sell it. You buy a packet of cigarette, or you buy some sticks of cigarette. You tear it out, the tobacco inside, you gather it. Then you get dried lavender. People use it for cooking. They use it for scenting places. Scent very nice. You're going to get this mugwort and the tobacco. They are kind of spiritual herbs that you use to send message to people, and lavender is a dream herb. Okay, so mixing these three stuff together, you have to set up a fire, a coal fire. Okay, try to set up a tiny fire that can burn. You can set it in your candle, or you can set it outside your house. Then you begin to burn these herbs together. You do it in the night, around 12 o'clock in the night, 12:01, time that you know that the person will be sleeping, or you check the time, the nighttime hours to where the person is living. Then you burn this stuff. As you are burning it over the coal, you are speaking to it. Try to see the person inside the smoke. Imagine the face of the person inside the smoke. Then you begin to burn. As you're burning these herbs together, you're telling them the message. You're repeating the message again and again, and keep burning and burning and burning, and tell them what you want them. Then the smoke will carry the message to the person in the other side of the world. Okay, so this is how you do it. It's a very simple spell, and once you guys I want you guys to try it out. Tell me what you think about it. Okay, so this is what I have for you today. I also want to announce about my classes that I do, especially the class for River of Knowledge. For the intermediate class, I want you guys to know that I have increased the payment fee from $50 to $100, because I have discovered that people will come into the class, they will register for 1 month, and then they will copy the videos in the class, then they will cancel their subscription immediately. Then they will go to the next level. They will register for 1 month. They will copy videos. They will cancel. I want to stop this kind of practice. Some people have been taking advantage of me for some time now, and I don't want to. I cannot take it anymore. So I need to do something about it. So for people that really want to learn this stuff, I need to make it I need to make it worth their while. And I also want people to patronize me in a way that their services will be useful. The payment of their fees will be useful to what I am doing. So for those people coming in, whether they think that since it's very low, they can just come in and just steal videos and just go. It has been giving me problem. I have people doing different kind of things that I don't like. So I have increased it to $100 to cut some people off. And the only serious practitioners that also want to support this African spirituality research and movements may apply. So if you go to the website now, it's no longer $50. And I'm not going to be putting all my new videos on the links anymore to solve this problem. When you register, I will be giving you videos every month. I'll be giving you at least 10 videos every month. Okay, I'm not just going to load all the videos there so you get access to them at the same time. I will stop doing that. So I'll be giving you the videos one by one on the WhatsApp group for your own consumption individually. That way people will not just come and be stealing the videos and disappearing. So this is what I have done now. Only the beginner class is now $50. So I need to do something to change the situation, and the classes are very, very deep. They are very precise and concise, and people are actually benefiting a lot of things from the classes. So please, I want you to join. When you join in this class, I want you to have the mentality that you are actually here to learn. Many times I tell people that you need to follow the curriculum that I have laid out. You need to actually read the books, especially on history, because so many questions new people have already been answered in these books. But some will refuse to read the book, and they will be asking me the same question again, meaning I will know that they didn't read it because they would have come across the answers. And if you don't read these books, you jump it, you will not have a solid foundation. I have said this many times. You need to have a strong foundation. So you actually need to read these books, follow my curriculum. A lot of people have asked me to give them my curriculum. I don't do that, okay? A real spiritual esoteric organization doesn't do that. You get the books when you arrive at a certain level. It's only there you have access to those materials. We don't do this for certain reasons, so that people don't come in and steal our curriculum. And people also need to be guided. And also too, we have these fake spiritualists that don't know anything about spirituality. They are always looking to steal things. These are the people that have been coming to try to raid my website and my channel to go and be defrauding people. They don't know anything about spirituality. They don't know what is even a spiritual curriculum. They come to ask me. I never give them. I don't ever give anybody my curriculum. So please do not ask me. You will only know how it is until you have completed the program. Then after you have completed it and mastered it, you will know what it is to keep the secrets that you have learned. You will know that what you have learned here is a gift. You will not just give it to anybody, any Tom, Dick, and Harry for free. Okay, so I do not share my curriculum with these people. Many of them have spiritual organization. They don't have spiritual curriculum. So I wonder what they are teaching people there. Okay, so this kind of people, I have to weed them out, and I have introduced these new protocols. So intermediate class now, I have increased it to $100. Only serious people may apply. Okay, advanced class still remains $100. Those people that are paying, they are getting value for their money. This is how it's supposed to be. So beginner class remain the way it is for now, and I encourage you to join and learn and know this knowledge and advance your spirituality. The classes last 6 months. Within 6 months, you'll be a master of African spirituality. You will be more advanced than people that claim that they have been practicing for 10 years, 20 years. They have nothing to show for it. They are just wasting their time repeating tradition, regurgitating things that have no facts and evidence, following superstition and tradition that will do nothing for anybody. Okay, so you will be more advanced than those people. There are people that I came across when I started my spiritual journey. These people, I thought they were masters because that time I didn't know anything. When I started, many of them treat me very bad. Today, I have advanced more than them, more than 1,000 times. They are still doing the same thing they were doing the day I met them. They are still repeating the same thing. Why me? I have passed that level. I have passed that level over and over. And these people, they are just tied in their low mentality, repeating the same superstition and nonsense. Once you follow this, my program, you're going to be better than those people. People you are thinking that they are masters today, that they are watching their YouTube channel, you following them, you think they know something more than you, they carry themselves like gods and superior people. You finish this program, it is 6 months, you will know that those people don't know anything. That those people, they are just caricatures, wasting other people's time. They are just playing dress up. So my program is very deep. My program is very intense. My program is very, very pragmatic, self-explanatory, easy to understand. So the essence of me doing this program is for people, African people, to get access to this knowledge, to actually empower them, enlighten them, and free them from these shackles of mental slavery that we find ourselves, from this quagmire of backwardness and ignorance that we are currently swimming in, called the continent of Africa. So please support me in this work. Whatever money you put in this channel is actually an investment in the development and advancement of African spirituality. It is helping me to grow. It is also helping you. So consider it as your own form of investment in your own development and your development of your future, your children's future, because once you know this knowledge, you are going to transfer it to them. So you're learning this thing for your family. You are learning this thing to change and affect the generation. So this money is not waste. So don't look at it that it does not matter. A lot of people waste money in other things, but when it comes to things that will change their life, they don't want to put anything inside. They will be begging, they'll be asking for discount, they will be taking it very, very lackadaisical. Let me use this word. So this is very serious matter. It's going to affect your generation, your lineage, past, present, and future. So please invest in this thing. Learn it and get this knowledge once and for all before it is too late. Okay? They say now wait till you not know, now your mate take pass you. So know your way, not because knowledge of self is how we begin this race. You have to have knowledge of self. So learn this thing. Within 6 months, you know this knowledge. You start using it to change your life, to help your family, help your friends, moving your people forward. It is a progressive thing. It is not a regressive thing. It's not a backward thing. It's your rights, your birthright, and your responsibility to learn about your ancestors, to learn about the truth about your continents. Anybody can tell you stories as a kid. They can tell you Jesus Christ story, fairy tale story, that they want you to believe. But as an adult, it is your responsibility to know the truth, and to know peace. So for those other people that are failing not to know this, it is their own. You are responsible for anything that happens to you. Okay, so this is your own personal responsibility. This is a path that you must walk. So you need to take this thing serious. You need to support this movement. Let's grow together. Let's know this thing. Let's move forward. Let's make Africa great again. So with that being said, I thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video will help you to do one or two things. And I have lots of powerful videos that will be coming your way. So please like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel. Support me, support my website, support my channel and my research, and I thank you very much. And if you want to read my book on quantum physics, I'm still here waiting for you. Okay, very deep, advanced book, very easy book to understand. It's here waiting for you. If you want to do your spell work, love spell, hexes, sparks, the whole 9 yards, my number is on the screen. With that being said, I thank you very much, and of course I'll be seeing you in the next video as usual. So take care and bye. Peace.